Didn't know that love could change ya. And I woke up to a stranger. After all this time I thought that I knew. But when I was no debating.
Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a vloggy vlog. This vlog is going to be a daily vlog, a day in a life vlog, because I have some things to do today and it just fits in between my vlogging schedule. So I said, why not do a day in a life vlog? So yeah, we're here. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So today is Sunday, February 26th, and tonight we go all the way up, okay? My closest friend Tabby's birthday is on Tuesday, so she's doing a birthday dinner tonight, and I have some errands to run. Yeah, I need to run some errands, and then the dinner is tonight at 9 p.m. and then after the dinner we're going out to club. So that's the agenda for today, and I need to get started. But first things first, I need to upload today's vlog, so that's what I'm working on right now, and once that's done I'm gonna head out. So if you guys watched Sunday's vlog, my last weekly vlog, my New York vlog, I have some things that I need to return and exchange in H&M, Zara, and Macy's. So I have my returns package already, so we can get that out the way. Yeah, there's so much I have to do. I feel so overwhelmed, but we gonna get it done, because one thing about me, one thing about Kendra, one thing about Kensthetic is we gonna get shit. So today's video is basically done uploading. So I just got dressed. I just threw anything on. I'm about to head downtown. It's so hot in here. Like, I was trying to see if there was somewhere to buy a local bottle of water, and they closed the Walgreens over here. And I'm making a return too. Should it be on a separate transaction? Yes, please.
And you have the Zara app on your phone?
Yes. 300. And then I'm returning this. I have the receipt on my app.
So you're getting back to $760.
Okay, thank you. So I am back home now, and y'all, I couldn't vlog much because when I tell y'all, I forgot how hectic downtown is. Like, and then I had all of these bags. I had all of these bags to carry. They look way lighter than they actually are. But I just got home, showered because I was so sweaty, and I'm about to get ready to go to Tabby's birthday dinner. But before I review something, so I ordered this from Amazon. It's supposed to be a Artizia dupe, so we'll see. It came up as an ad on Instagram. They were like, yes, double line. It reminds me of Artizia. Y'all know me, I added to cart expeditiously. So let's see. I got a size medium because they were saying to size up, but this looks too big. Let me try one. Okay, so I'm not mad at it. It is double lined, I will say that. A medium, it fits, but like I would keep this, and then the next time I order I will get a size small. It's my nipping for me. But this is the front, this is the back. It's just like a basic tank top. They have a they have a ton of other items from this brand. The brand is Artfish on Amazon, so I'll link this down below. And if you browse their shop, they have tons of other options, so you can check it out. They have like long sleeve bodysuits, the short sleeve bodysuits. As I mentioned, this is just a tank top, so it hits like right on my belly button for reference. So all right, let me start getting ready so I could kind of sort of be on time. I got this. God got me, and we're gonna make it through, period. So I'm doing, I don't want to say my everyday makeup routine, but I'll show you guys the products I'm using. Of course, my primer is almost done. For some reason, whenever I go in Sephora, it's out of stock. I don't know if the TikTok girlies ran it off the shelf or what, but this is the best primer ever. Just grips your makeup perfectly. And then I'm going to color correct with 50N. And I can always tell my skin is getting better when I don't have to use that much product during this step. But I've had some breakouts recently because I've just been eating and drinking like sugar honey iced tea. And my skin is like, girl, what is you doing? Like, are you serious? After all of the hard work we put in, you want to do this right now? Brows, I'm going to use some of my new products from Benefit. I'm going to use my Precisely My Brow pencil. I'm going to use this Fluff Up Brow Wax. So this is a Fluff Up Brow Wax, and I'm going to use this to like lay my hairs down. Yeah, no, I barely have any brows, so. And then I'm gonna take my Precisely My Brow. Brows are on. I feel like when I was out today, like my throat just feels congested, because here's the thing, it's cold outside, you go in the stores, it is hot. And I was in Macy's, my back was sweating. I wish y'all saw the sweat that was on my tank top. It was disgusting. I was just like, oh. And then I go outside and it's cold again, but my body still feels hot. If you know, you know. Like, So I just want my throat to feel a little better before I go out, because I'm already gonna be naked as it is. Ugh. Send me back to Houston. So, oh, I didn't tell you guys, I'm using my Sephora Collection foundation in the shade 50N. This is my jam. Love this stuff. And I put this like on the circumference of my face. And then, tie my braids away. And then I take my 34.5N Sephora Collection concealer. Put that in the middle. Like that. And then I take 35N and put her here as a transition between that bright concealer and my foundation. Just be drawing shapes. It gives geometry. Boom. I blend using my Sephora Collection brush 57. This is the Pro Concealer brush. And I blend the lighter shade first, upwards. Carry the extra onto my eyelid. And then I blend the darker concealer upwards as well. I look nuts. But now I take my sponge and I need to go dampen it, so I'll BRB. But this is a sponge that I use. This is from Amazon. Babes, these are my favorite makeup sponges and they're super affordable. Link down below. This Leslie writing me like, I don't know nothing about time. Girl, you know your friends. You knew exactly what was gonna happen. It's currently 8:45 and we were supposed to be at 8:30. And as I mentioned before, it's all the way in Brooklyn. So yeah. But I'm just gonna take this sponge and blend the concealer. I feel like the brush gives me the coverage that I like, and then the sponge gives me the blend that I like. So I like to hit them with the the combo. Y'all see how flawless this looks? Like, what? But watch how we take it up a notch. So setting powder combo. Check in setting powder, check the freak in. Derma Blend Banana plus one size translucent. Babes, if you want your face snatched, just say that. Just say that. Just say it. All you really gotta do is just say it. So I forgot my full size. I forgot both of my setting powders at home. So I actually bought both of these in New York. And I hate the travels. I hate the process of getting this setting powder out, whether it's the travel size or the full size. Is just like, yo, you know I need more than that. I picked both of them up on my sponge. And I said I don't bake, so I put exactly how much is going to stay on because nothing gets swept off. No product shall go wasted. And I also like how setting looks better than baking. Baking gives me too much, and I ain't trying to do too much now. I've been liking to snatch my nose up. Just bring the powder in. Oh my god, I miss Real Housewives of Potomac reunion today. Oh, I'm ODing if I bring my headphones to watch it at the dinner. Oh my god, I miss my girls. I can't even go on Twitter. I can't scroll too much on Instagram because the girls just be ruining everything. That's why I always feel like I need to race to watch things, because I hate when I go on social media and somebody spoils it for me. Like, who said that your feed watched it already? I feel like you need to give it at least 2 business days. Like, before you spoil anything, give the people 2 business days. That's it. After 2 business days, you on your own. You on your own. Also, I wanted to tell y'all, remember that guest suit that I showed you guys in my New York vlog when I did the try on haul? Friggin' the pants were final sale, and I didn't peep that when I bought it, and the cashier did not tell me that. So when I went to go return today, the cashier is like, oh, these are final sale, you can't return them. I'm like, y'all just like playing with me, right? So I went to the return center and they ended up only being able to give me a gift card. So I was just like, F it, and I took it because it did say it on the receipt. So I guess, like, you know, I didn't have any case there. But I'm like, this is why I don't shop at Macy's, because their return policy, Nordstrom would never. That ginger when it hit the back of your truck. I take my face powder. So this is my Sephora Micro Smooth with my fluffy brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna press the powder into my face. I kind of want to put some eyeshadow on. I have these palettes from Pure Cosmetics because I know all my other palettes are stale. So this is Pure Cosmetics. This is their palette Wednesday, and this is how the color palette looks. So I'm going to take this shade, Caffeine Please. I'm gonna start with On The Go. Let's see how that looks on me. Girl, you ain't seeing nothing. I'm gonna take Caffeine Please and ever so lightly dust that into my outer crease. To give some depth, I'm gonna add in my bronzer on the top because I felt like it was just a harsh transition. And I'm just gonna lightly dust that between my brow and that shadow. And then I'm going to take this shade, Follow UPS. Should I do Follow UPS or Coffee Date? It's this pretty gold shimmer. And if you know me, I never wear eyeshadow, so yeah. Yeah. Okay, pretty and simple. Bronzer. Don't judge her, okay? She came a long way, and I'm using my lip bar brush to apply my bronzer. I like for my lips to be real dry when I apply my lip liner. Lip liner was ColourPop, Sunnyvale, and lippy is Creme Brulee NYX Butter Gloss. Lashes, Amico mascara. Oh, I wanted to put something on my waterline. Okay, my cap is outside, but quick outfit of the night. This top is from Delicately Worn, which is Kim's thrifted brand. Jeans are from Urban, and then heels are Jean Vito Rossi. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog on my phone, so I'll see y'all outside.
I've been blowing through the money like you growing trees. I've been fucking on a French bitch, still I be. I just put them on a jet, now they all a tight. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie by getting shots, but she still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on a Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty said she graduated, she ain't learning enough. Play the album track 1, okay, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown in NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bo take a shades with the great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for J Prince. Bitch, I did it for the ball tie. Feel like 17, 2 first, wrong guy. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up one more
I'ma
time.
tell you the truth.
Hey,
Not like these girls on the loose.
known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place. But I got these diamonds on my neck, so it's a blind date. All my niggas on the roads, raising up the crime rate. Your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Cody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years when I do though. Turn me up, Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Hey, Cody, turn me. Hey, yeah, what? Cody, turn me. What?
21. In the drop top ends like it's 03. Had the shooters aim down from the nosebleed. Gotta get this passport, keep my nose clean. Bitch try to burn me up. Keep a man a tuck, yeah, I never slip. SF90 rounds red like a poker chip. Rich as hell, still good in the strokers belt. Pink slip in the glove for the ownership. Limping with the 30 on like a pro hip. Red flag giving blood on some owner shit. All the ops get a bullet on some over shit. Went from Angel Town to States to a bigger state. Probably would've had a zombie on me if I would've stayed. Still a caught a case if I would've stayed. I've been thugging all my life, that's just how I played. Still posted in the A when niggas feel me. Still gotta see the gunners when Premier League. Still gotta keep a gun, it's always near me. And I'm down to hit them up.
One more time, hit my line. You know that it was great. Oh yeah, alright, don't do romance.
Conversation. Tell me, was it all a lie? I'm confused. Then you say what I wanna hear, 'cause you know it's gonna get me here. Every time I say that